Hello friends, welcome to the channel Soft Skills by Vanna Sani. Today I'm going to talk about certain expressions that are very popular in India but they fail to pass the test of standardized English. So Indian expressions हैं but वो globally acceptable नहीं हैं. So the first expression is don't eat my head. Now don't eat my head is a direct translation of कि मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ या मेरा सिर मत खाओ, right? When we get irritated, we speak such kind of expressions, right? So this is something that is not acceptable globally. So it is incorrect English. So you can replace this with kindly don't bother me. ओके कभी ये नहीं कहना कि डोंट ईट माई हेड, तो आप इसको रिप्लेस करोगे काइंडली डोंट बॉदर मी. ज़्यादा इनफॉर्मल होना है तो यू कैन से काइंडली डोंट बग मी, बग BUG, काइंडली डोंट बग मी. सो द अदर काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन विच आई हैव कम अक्रॉस इज ही इज़ डूइंग टाइम पास. काफ़ी बार हमने सुना है कि वो ये ऐसे बोलना कि ही इज़ डूइंग, क्या कर रहा है वो, ही इज़ डूइंग टाइम पास. So it is incorrect. It should be replaced by he is killing time. And a very common expression, more of a cliche that is used in applications is kindly do the needful. Now kindly do the needful can be replaced by please do what is necessary, right? That is applicable globally. Then the other one is he is very miser. This is also incorrect. ये वो बहुत कंजूस है. ये भी एक तरह की ट्रांसलेशन कर दी गई है हिंदी से इंग्लिश में. ही इज़ वेरी माइजर. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज रिप्लेस माइजर विद द वर्ड स्टिंजी. ही इज़ वेरी स्टिंजी और ही इज़ अ माइजर. देन देयर इज़ another blunder committed by many people. They use second form with did. He didn't knew it. It is incorrect. He didn't know it. Kindly do the payment. It is incorrect. It should be replaced by kindly make the payment. Sometimes it is said that what are you doing these days, and the reply comes I am doing job. It is incorrect. It should be replaced by I am working. So friends, if you like this kind of content, please show a thumbs up. It's a kind of a motivation for me so that I keep going on with this and keep adding on to the knowledge. I love sharing my knowledge and my experience. So thumbs up is a very kind of a booster, right? It acts as a booster. So please, if you like, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and have a great day.